desire to purchase a home starts first in the mind, right? And so you think about, hey, I would love to purchase a home, tired of paying rent and all that good stuff. But you ever hear people say you don't want to put the cart before the horse? So what you want to do first is go online. Okay, this is not an inquiry. This is not a hit on your credit report. You go to annualcreditreport.com and you want to find out first, hey, what is my credit score? What am I working with? So that's the first things first, to find out what your credit score is. It's a minimum credit score that you would need to have to be able to purchase a home. Once you find that out, most of the time folks need to get that credit score up or raise that credit score. And most of the people in this room are probably maybe in that situation. And from there you want to contact someone like myself, someone certified to help you get that credit score up, give you some pointers that you can implement step by step. So you start with baby steps and work your way through the process, and then before you know it, you'll be able to accomplish your goal.